12 subtle symptoms of a thyroid problem that you should never ignore. Sometimes we can feel that there is some change in our body, but we keep telling ourselves, there is nothing wrong or serious with it, it is just a cold, or allergy. In some cases, this can be true, but often these seemingly innocent signs can indicate a more serious health problem. So, it is very important to pay attention to the message your body tries to send, especially when it comes to issues with your thyroid. Even though it is a small gland, the thyroid is responsible for producing thyroid hormone, which regulates your heartbeat, temperature, and metabolism. To be able to spot some of the early warning signs of thyroid issues, keep reading and found out which are the 12 most common symptoms. 1. Feeling sad or depressed. The thyroid can have a huge influence on your mood. If you have a deficiency of thyroid hormone in your body, you can suddenly feel blue or even depressed. 2. Constipation. The changes of the thyroid hormone can also cause difficulty in food digestion. 3. Sleeping too much. All of us can experience difficulties getting out of the bed in the morning, but if there is some disruption of the thyroid function, this can decelerate the other functions of the body, thus making you feel sleepy throughout the entire day. 4. Hair loss and dry skin. If your skin is itchy and it is not even winter, there is a possibility that you have hypothyroidism. Slow metabolism can lead to reduced sweating and hair loss. 5. Sudden weight gain. Even though you exercise regularly and have the same healthy diet, giving your best, you keep gaining weight, and this occurs all of a sudden. This can indicate problems with your thyroid. 6. Libido loss. Too low thyroid hormone can reduce your libido. 7. Muscle pain. It is normal that if you stab your toe, the toe will hurt. If you start some new exercises, you will feel pain in your muscles as well. But, if you feel random and mysterious numbness or tightening in your muscles, this can be a sign of thyroid problem. The lack of thyroid hormones can damage the nerves that send signals from your brain to the other parts of your body. 8. Fluttering heart. If you feel that your heart is skipping a beat or two, this can indicate that you are having problems with your thyroid. 9. Fuzzy head. Too much thyroid hormone can make it difficult for you to concentrate, or even make you forget things. 10. High blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure, and there is nothing which can help you to lower it, diet, exercise, or even medications, this can be a sign that it is time to check your thyroid. 11. Increased appetite. An underactive thyroid can mess with your sense of taste, thus increasing your appetite. 12. Neck and throat discomfort. The thyroid is located in the neck, so it is normal to feel pain in that area. A lump in your throat, change in your voice, or even a goiter can indicate some thyroid disorder. You should look at your neck to see if there are any changes or swelling, because this can indicate a disrupted function of your thyroid.